Good night, everybody, because it's actually nighttime, my video, and I'm being kind of quiet, but since my editing software took forever to reinstall, I've been doing this pretty late, but here I actually have a release date for Minecraft Story Mode episode 6, 7, and 8, the only thing I've been focusing on. Now, if you go on the App Store, which I'm not sure if the description is here for everybody else, but if you go on the App Store, it says episodes 6, 7, and 8 are going to be available this summer. So yes, I actually kind of predicted this, that it would come after Michonne finishes up. So I'm personally predicting episode 6 coming in June, episode 7 July, and then episode 8 in August. So it's perfect for you people who don't have a busy schedule during the summer and you just want to relax and you can actually just play Minecraft Story Mode, which is good. I'm excited for a summer release. So, yeah, I mean, we're going to have to wait like another 3 months, but at least Telltale's letting us know ahead of time what the release date was, so I won't have to check all over and over and over again. So, yeah, pretty short video, but hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Wait, goodbye.